Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if the picture is taken from Pinterest or not. Like for example, if someone has put a DP on their profile or if uploaded a picture, so how to check if it's taken from the Pinterest or if it's a new picture. So first of all, open up the Pinterest mobile application. Once you go to Pinterest mobile application, this interface should appear. From here, go to the search icon that is appearing at the bottom. Once you go to the search, at the top right corner of the screen on the search, there's a camera option. Click on it. From here, go to your gallery and pick up that picture. Once you do that, at the bottom you should find the similar pictures, and you can just easily see that this picture has been taken from Pinterest. There are identical pictures like this, and that is how you know that this picture is taken from Pinterest. If there are no identical pictures like this, then that picture is a new one, or at least not uploaded on Pinterest. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.